Pioneer Adhesives training video. Waterproofing. To prevent water intrusion into structural elements of a construction, waterproofing is recommended. Pioneer Pro has effective waterproofing solutions for surfaces like swimming pools, irrigation canals, water tanks, and basement walls. Pioneer Pro Watertight 100 Instant Plug is supplied as a dry powder which only needs the addition of water to produce an ultra-rapid set plugging mortar. For preparation, surfaces should be brushed clean to remove loose material, dust, and latents. Areas to be patched should be cut back 20 millimeters in depth and given a good mechanical key. Feathered edges must not be allowed. All surfaces must be damped down with clean water prior to application. Mix 1 part water to 3 parts Pioneer Pro Watertight 100. Do it thoroughly. Apply mix Watertight 100 in place, ensuring maximum contact with substrate before the material sets. Normal setting time is between 45 to 90 seconds at 30 degrees Celsius. Pioneer Pro Watertight 101 is a crystalline capillary waterproofing formulation recommended for use in water treatment or sewage structures, basement walls, and underground garages. Prior to application, mix 4.54 kilograms can of Pioneer Pro Watertight 101 with 1.5 liters of clean water. Mix thoroughly with slow speed drill until a creamy consistency is achieved. Allow the mix to rest for 15 minutes. Saturate concrete surface with water prior to application of Pioneer Pro Watertight 101. Slurry coat may be applied with a brush or broom. Be sure to work slurry into the openings, rough surfaces, joints, and routed out areas. Apply second coat when first coat has taken an initial set. Pioneer Pro Watertight 102 is a paintable, 2-component, flexible, cementitious waterproofing membrane ideally applied in areas like balconies, roof decks, toilets, baths, and kitchens. For surface preparation, make sure that the substrate is clean, free of dust and loose particles. Dampen the substrate before applying Pioneer Pro Watertight 102. When mixing, pour part A, liquid, and add part B, powder, into container. Mix for 5 minutes until lump-free. Stir manually before use. For horizontal and vertical surface, roller or brush may be used to apply the slurry coat. Apply carefully to ensure that air is not trapped in the membrane and to fill all the pores. Allow to dry for approximately 2 to 3 hours before applying second coat. Second coat must be applied crosswise. After applying second coat, allow minimum curing time interval of 15 to 72 hours before laying the screed and commencing ponding test. Pioneer Pro Watertight 103 is a 2-component, highly flexible cementitious waterproofing membrane best applied on basement walls, reservoirs, culverts, domes, and firewall. For preparation, surfaces should be brushed clean to remove loose material, dust, and latents. Dampen the substrate with water while ensuring that no free water is present on the surface. To mix, pour part A liquid into clean container. Slowly add part B powder into the container and mix with a slow speed mechanical mixer until it becomes lump-free. Apply first coat generously to fill all the pores. Allow to dry for approximately 2 to 3 hours before applying second coat. Second coat must be applied crosswise. After applying second coat, allow minimum curing time interval of 15 to 72 hours before laying the screed and commencing pond test. Pioneer Pro Watertight 200 Barricade is a decorative waterproof elastomeric paint used for above-grade exterior surfaces such as firewall, stucco, and concrete block. On clean and unpainted surfaces, apply one watertight 200 Barricade Prime Coat. Pioneer Pro offers you the essentials in protecting your building from detrimental elements such as flooding and water damage. For waterproofing solutions, do it right with Pioneer.